Hello everyone, Jake Peters from Hapeman Electonics here to talk about using our Locomotive harness tester to test an ECA harness from a Wabtec or GE locomotive. If not currently connected, reconnect the 3 jumper connections to the A, B, and C connections on the end of the easel. Make sure to wiggle the connection as it is screwed into place to allow the connectors to mate properly. Lay the harness in the top tray on the right side of the easel, oriented so that the large round connector hangs off the end of the tray by the easel connections. Connect each of the sensor connectors on the harness to the mating connector on the easel. Mate the large round connector to the connection on the end of the easel labeled ECA. At the operator console, if the test software is not already open, double tap the wire harness tester icon on the desktop. Below the lid on the console, change the selector switch to ENG Harn. The software will change to the engine harness test screen. Press the Start button beside the selector switch to start a test. The software will ask which harness you want to test. Tap the ECA harness button on the test software screen. First, each wire in the harness will be checked for resistance. Then a secondary screen will pop up briefly while the harness thermistor is checked. Once the test is complete, the software will say good or bad and the corresponding pass or fail light will illuminate on the operator console. Remove the A, B, and C jumper connections on the end of the easel. Disconnect the large round harness connector from the end of the easel at the location labeled ECA and connect it to the connector labeled ECA high voltage. Back at the operator console, change the selector switch to ENG high pot. This will change the software to the high pot screen. Warning: make sure that all personnel are clear of the tester before continuing. The high pot test energizes the easel and operator cart under the lid to high voltages that are hazardous. Press the Start button beside the selector switch to start the high pot test. The high voltage indicator light will flash on the front of the operator console while the test is running. Once the test is complete, the high voltage flasher will go out and the pass-fail indicator will light. The ECA harness test is now complete. Disconnect the harness from the easel. My name is Jake Peters from Hapeman Electronics, and you have been watching a video on the use of our Locomotive harness tester. If you want more information or need to contact us for support, you can reach us by email at hpelect@hapeman.com or by phone at 724-376-2239. Thanks for watching.